After spending over 2 decades in automotive repair, I've discovered something most buyers never realize. While everyone fights over the same popular models, there are 8 sedans sitting on lots right now that will run forever, and they're selling for half what they should. These aren't compromises. These are vehicles that mechanics buy for their own families. 8. The luxury bargain, Toyota Camry. Let me start from what most people consider the gold standard and work backward to the cars nobody talks about. The Camry has earned its reputation, but here's what the data actually shows. Owners have pushed these vehicles past 500,000 miles regularly. Mobil 1 ran a 2015 engine on a test rig to 500,000 miles and found minimal wear. I've personally examined 15-year-old examples with 230,000 miles, where desperate owners wanted me to find problems, anything to justify buying something new. They left my shop disappointed because these cars had years of life remaining. The engineering is straightforward. The 3.5-liter V6 is virtually bulletproof. The 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, available since 2012, offers nearly identical longevity. Toyota's 8-speed automatic has proven itself repeatedly. One warning: skip 2007 to 2009 models with the 2.4-liter 4-cylinder due to oil consumption issues from defective piston rings. Financially, it makes perfect sense. Annual maintenance averages $388 versus $526 for typical midsize sedans. Major repair probability sits at 11% industry standard. When repairs happen, they're affordable. Worst case, a water pump around 100,000 miles for $380 to $510. Target 2020 to 2022 models priced $18,000, $24,000 with 30,000 to 50,000 miles. You'll get modern safety features and an engine that could outlast multiple owners. Here's the reality: you'll spend more on fuel over its lifetime than repairs. The underrated luxury, Lexus ES. This is where I lose people because they see the badge and assume expensive repairs. Watch this closely. The ES maintains just 6% severe repair probability, while luxury midsize cars average 12%. I've serviced ES 350 models past 280,000 miles, where the biggest expenses were tires and brakes. That 3.5-liter V6, it's identical to the Camry, Avalon, Highlander, and RAV4 engine, proven across millions of vehicles. You're basically getting a Camry in formal wear. Same platform, same drivetrain, same reliability, but with leather, better sound insulation, and a badge that sometimes lowers insurance because Lexus drivers file fewer claims. Annual repair costs average $468 cheaper than the $526 midsize average, and way below the $739 luxury midsize average. You're paying Camry money for BMW comfort. Avoid 2007 to 2009 models with dashboard melting and oil line problems. Target 2013 to 2018 for the sweet spot. Proven reliability, modern safety, and prices between $15,000, $22,000 for cars that cost $45,000 new. This is the used market's best kept secret. You get 90% of Camry reliability, 100% of its drivetrain, and a car that looks expensive without expensive repairs. 6. The compact champion, Toyota Corolla. This sedan ranks first among 36 compact cars for reliability, with annual repair costs of just $362, the lowest figure on this list. A sales rep in New England drove a 1992 model past 800,000 miles. A 2016 version hit 532,000 miles on original components. The key stat: 97.5% of Corollas sold in the last decade are still in daily use. The 1.8-liter engine represents one of Toyota's most reliable designs ever. Simple, efficient, and essentially indestructible. The newer 2-liter in SE and XSE models combines port and direct injection to prevent valve deposits. Early data looks excellent. That $362 annual cost pairs with 7% severe repair probability versus 11% average. Over the Corolla's lifetime, you'll spend less on maintenance than gasoline. About the CVT, Toyota's version differs from problematic competitors. The K313 CVT has been in Corollas since 2014 without major failures. Expected lifespan: 125,000 to 185,000 miles minimum with proper maintenance. Change CVT fluid every 60,000 miles despite lifetime claims. Best buy: 2014 to 2017 Corolla LE with 1.8-liter engine. $12,000, $16,000. This is probably the safest used car purchase in America right now. 5. The reliable midsize, Honda Accord. This sedan consistently ranks first among 24 midsize cars for reliability. Not top 5, number 1. Ken Chan drove a 1992 Accord to 628,000 miles on a 100-mile daily commute. 7 days weekly. Honda documented it. Modern 2013 to 2014 models regularly appear with 200,000 plus miles. Owners visiting only for brakes and tires. The 2.4-liter K24 engine from 2013 to 2017 ranks among Honda's finest. Naturally aspirated, timing chain, and the 4-cylinder version just keeps running. The 3.5-liter V6 is equally solid but requires timing belt service around 100,000 miles, budget $760, $1,170. Annual maintenance, $400. Unscheduled shop visits, 0.3 times yearly. Most years pass without unexpected maintenance. AC compressor replacement if needed, $920, $1,000. $552. For 2018 plus models with 1.5 turbo, watch for oil dilution in cold climates. The 2-turbo with 10-speed automatic is better, more power, no CVT, fewer issues. Sweet spot. 2015 to 2017 Accord, $12,000, $18,000. Proven reliability, optional V6, and Honda sensing safety tech on higher trims. 4. The forgotten compact, Honda Civic. Kelley Blue Book says this costs 60% less to repair than other compact sedans. That's not marketing. It's data from millions of repair records. Last year, a customer brought a 2014 Civic with 289,000 miles wanting confirmation to replace it. After full diagnostics and inspection, I found nothing wrong beyond normal wear. Original water pump, perfect timing chain. She left disappointed I couldn't justify a new purchase. The Civic's secret is boring engineering in the best way. The 1.8-liter 4-cylinder in 2012 to 2015 models uses a timing chain, not a belt, eliminating the $800 replacement at 100,000 miles. The transmission, if you choose conventional, automatic, or manual, simply works. RepairPal gives it 4.5 out of 5, ranking 3rd among 36 compact cars. Annual repair, $368. Industry average, over $400. Severe repair probability, 9% versus 11% average. 1 unexpected shop visit annually. Warning: avoid 2016 to 2018 models with 1.5 turbo in cold climates. Oil dilution problem where fuel contaminates oil during short trips. Not an issue in warm areas, but in cold states, get the 2-liter or 2020 plus where Honda fixed it. Best Buy, 2013 to 2015 with 1.8-liter engine, $8,000, $14,000. Change oil every 5,000 miles and keep it until your kids drive. 3. The full-size secret, Toyota Avalon. This is the car customers argue with me about until they drive one. It's a full-size sedan with the same drivetrain as the Lexus ES, same reliability as the Camry, more features than both, selling for $5,000 less because the average buyer is 67 years old. 2 years ago, a professional woman in her mid-40 seconds with a 60-mile commute was shopping Camrys and Accords with an $18,000 budget. I suggested the Avalon. She laughed. That's what my grandmother drives. I showed her my personal car, a 2014 Avalon Limited with 188,000 miles. I bought it at 90,000 miles for $13,500 and had spent maybe $1,800 total, including full brakes and tires. She bought a 2015 Avalon XLE for $14,200 with 71,000 miles. Last month, she texted 142,000 miles, 0 mechanical issues. Her words: why doesn't anyone talk about this car? The 7th generation Avalon shares its platform, 3.5-liter V6 and 6-speed automatic with the Lexus ES 350. Same parts, same Kentucky assembly line, same Toyota reliability. The 2GR-FE V6 is arguably Toyota's most reliable 6-cylinder ever. No direct injection problems, no timing belt intervals, no turbo failures. It just runs. I've seen these past 400,000 miles. Not heard about personally, worked on 3 over 350,000 miles with original transmissions. The numbers are ridiculous. A 2016 Avalon XLE with 80,000 miles, $14,000, $16,000. A 2016 Lexus ES 350 with same miles, $21,000, $24,000. That's $7,000, $8,000 difference for mechanically identical cars. The Lexus has a nicer badge and slightly better interior materials. That's it. Compare to Camry. A 2016 Camry XLE V6 with 80,000 miles runs $15,000, $17,000, actually more expensive than some Avalons. And you get a smaller car with fewer features. Repair costs are minimal. Brake pads for all 4 wheels, $280. Transmission fluid change, $180. Water pump past 200,000 miles, $650. Best Buy. Find one owned by an elderly person. They garage them, do every service on time, and drive gently. Grandma car with 60,000 miles is basically new. 2. The overlooked sports sedan, Mazda 6. This has some of the lowest repair costs of any midsize sedan. Lower than Camry, lower than Accord, and it depreciates like it's cursed, but runs like it's blessed. Every time a Mazda 6 rolls into my shop, I almost get disappointed because there's nothing wrong. Oil changes, brake pads, tires, that's it. Last month, a 2016 came in with 167,000 miles. Owner bought it new, drove 8 years, wanted to know what big maintenance was coming. I lifted it, inspected everything. Suspension, brakes, undercarriage, pulled codes, checked transmission fluid. Found nothing. Original spark plugs still had life. I told him come back in 30,000 miles. He looked at me like I was lying. Mazda kept the 3rd generation 6 simple. The Skyactiv 2.5-liter 4-cylinder doesn't use a timing chain tensioner that fails. It uses a maintenance-free chain system with lifespan matching the engine. The 6-speed automatic is their own design and proven. No CVT nonsense, no dual-clutch gambling, just traditional torque converter automatic that shifts smooth and lasts. Here's the nerdy detail. Mazda engineered 13:1 compression ratio, higher than most sports cars, meaning better fuel efficiency without sacrificing durability. Current prices will make you angry. A 2017 Mazda 6 Touring with 70,000 miles, $12,000, $14,000. Same year Camry SE, similar miles, $17,000, $19,000. That's $5,000 difference for a car that costs less to maintain. Most expensive repair I've done on a Skyactiv Mazda 6. Water pump at 140,000 miles, $680 parts and labor. Average surprise repair on same age Accord, $1,100. When test driving, watch 2 things. First, the infotainment knob, if loose or sticky, previous owner beat on it. Not a deal breaker, but shows treatment. Second, highway test around 45 miles per hour's let-off gas. If you feel slight shudder, check motor mounts. Known issue, $350 to fix. Also, 2014 to 2015 models had paint adhesion issues. Look for bubbling around hood and trunk edges. Mazda quietly extended warranty check if addressed. Buy this if you want fun driving that's still sensible, keeping past 200,000 miles with lowest maintenance cost, or tired of overpaying for Toyota badge. Skip if you need maximum backseat space or want latest driver assist. 2018 plus have them. Mechanic math. Buy for $12,000, drive 150,000 miles, spend maybe $2,500 maintenance total. Best dollars per mile deal in mid-size sedans. 1. The hidden gem, Buick Regal 4. This is the car mechanics love to see roll in. Not because it needs work, but because when it does, everything is straightforward and cheap. You can pick one up right now under $9,000. Last year, a 8-year-old customer wanted me to inspect a 2014 BMW 3 Series he was buying. 87,000 miles. Dealer wanted $14,500. I looked at maintenance history, looked at what was due, told him straight, you're about to spend $14,000 on a car needing $4,000 in repairs within 18 months. He asked what I'd buy instead. I showed him a 2015 Buick Regal with 62,000 miles for $8,900. Same power, better reliability, $5,600 less. He bought it. That was 14 months ago. Know what he spent on repairs? $47 in air filter and oil change. Here's what nobody tells you about the 2nd generation Regal. It's not really a Buick. Built on GM's Epsilon 2 platform, co-developed with Opel in Germany. The 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder is the same LTG engine that won Ward's 10 best engines 3 years running. The transmission is a proper 6-speed automatic from Aisin, a Japanese company that supplies Toyota. You've got German engineering, Japanese transmission, American pricing because it says Buick on the hood, and people under 50 won't touch it. Average used price for 2015. Regal under 80,000 miles. $8,500, $11,000. Compare to same year BMW 328 1, $14,000, $18,000. Timing chain replacement on Regal if ever needed rare. $1,100. On BMW, $2,800 minimum. The turbo on Regal is accessible. I can replace in 3 hours. BMW turbo is buried under manifold, $3,200. $200 labor alone. Inspection checklist. First, check PCV valve. Revised part after 2014 fixed oil consumption issue. If replaced, you're golden. Second, look at turbo inlet pipe. If cracked, that's $90 in 20 minutes, but tells you previous owner didn't maintain. Third, test touchscreen. Some CUE infotainment had delamination issues, not mechanical, but annoying. $400 to fix. Bottom line, premium driving experience with non-premium repair bills. Only reason this car is cheap is your neighbor doesn't know what it is.